Hi everyone and welcome to week 3 with Energize. We are going back to the bar this time and we're gonna be super energized to get going for this third week. We're gonna be standing at the bar again, doing our stretches, recapping everything that we've done in the other 2 weeks. So you're gonna feel elongated, you're gonna be feeling even more fit and ready for the rest of the week. So find a chair, find a kitchen counter or whatever you've got and let's do it. And we go 1, 2 to the side. Take it easy with a stretch and out, with a stretch and in, and continues to the bar. 1, 2, and turn your flex. 1, plie, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Bring it in, flex. 1, 2, 3. Feel the fifth, feel the inside leg. From there, straighten your knee, wherever it is. Keep your hips down. 1, in, 2, in, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let go, bounce it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go. Go. And bounce. And 5, and 6, and 7, to the side. Here we go. 1, and 2, and 3. Keep smiling. Keep smiling, she says. Seriously. Keep going. Here we go. Kicks. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and down. Whew. Keep breathing. Shoulders down. Try the balance.